Hi, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Corel chair cart. This particular hanging chair cart holds up to 84 chairs. The capacity can be different depending on the manufacturer of the chair. One of the big selling points on the Corel storage cart are these large 4-inch casters. They're non-marring. 2 of them swivel and 2 are fixed to give you convenience and control. The steel on these is top-notch with 1-inch thick handles. The quality's fantastic and you don't have to deal with any issues with welds. Did you know Corel also makes a standing chair cart? The hanging chair cart has an advantage in that it takes up less horizontal space. We do ship these factory direct. They're too large for UPS or FedEx, so they go through a motor freight carrier on a semi-truck. The freight carrier does contact you to set up a delivery appointment prior to delivery. These are proudly made in the United States and shipped from Arkansas. The lead time is about 1 to 2 weeks, but can be different depending on your particular location. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, please contact us at competitiveedgeproducts.com.